For offering also there are two ways, formal and informal. And in the previous classes, as we have studied that for asking or for polite expression we use like would you. Here also we will use would you term. Okay. Suppose would you like to give a speech like this way. Would you are asking someone that would you like to give a speech. This is that you are offering, or when you are offering someone tea or breakfast, this is called offering. Suppose would you take tea? Would you take tea? Or suppose you are offering someone drinks. Would you like any drink? Just I am now continuing class. Before vacation, I will give you a long assignment. On that assignment, when you will complete this, I think you will catch everything. You are in temporary job somewhere. Then one day your employer is asking you, I would like to offer you a permanent job. Like this way, I would like to offer you a permanent job, or I would like to offer you the post of deputy manager, or I would like to offer you the post of something like that. And for that you must respond that that's very kind of you, thank you, or that's nice, or that's very tempting. Suppose would you take some tea? If you take the offer, at that time you must reply that yes please, I have some tea. Or if you don't like, if you are not interested to take the offer, at that time you must say nothing, thanks. Or suppose you are asking someone, would you like tea or coffee? This is called offer. That, or suppose you are asking someone, would you like my help? Suppose someone is hazard or busy. At that time you can ask, would you like me to help you? Or suppose you are eager to give someone a lift. You have the car with you. Would you like me to give you a lift? If you eager, then thank you very much, or that's very nice of you, or that's very kind of you to offer. The common reply will be that's very nice of you, or that's kind of you, thank you very much, or thanks a lot. Or suppose you are in the car, okay, and beside you a old lady, she is feeling uneasy or uncomfort. At that time, suppose she is feeling hot. At that time you can offer her that would you want me to open the window? Or suppose it's raining outside. At that time you can offer her that would you like me to close the window? This is called offering, that you are offering yourself to help someone. Or suppose you are the host or on the bus, someone is standing and it seems that he is feeling uncomfort. At that time you can ask her or him, please be seated down, or do sit down, or would you like me to give you the seat. Like this way you can offer. At that time the response also will be, that's very kind of you, or that's very nice, thank you. These are just formal way of offering. Then in our common life or regular life also, there may be many occasions for offering or asking someone that you can help. At that time, suppose you are asking someone, suppose you are the host, that would you like strawberry flavor, or would you like tea or coffee, or would you like suppose chicken or beef. Like that way you can offer, or would you like soft drink or hot one. Like that way you can offer. Or suppose you are at the tailor's house. Tailor is asking you that would you like us to deliver the gown this evening. At that time you can, oh that would be lovely, oh sure that would be lovely, that you are want just that this. Suppose in case of formal, the reply just formal, sure, that expression won't be used. But in case of formal way, that's very kind of you, thank you, or that's very nice, this kind of expression, and your expression will be just reserved. Okay. And in case of informal or semi-formal way, just oh sure, certainly, this kind of expression, or sometimes this when you are confused, this type of expression you can use. Okay. You will go to a party, at that time your friend can ask you that would you like me to take you or to pick up you from the campus after class. You can, if you accept the offer, at that time you can reply sure, thanks, that would be nice. And if you do not accept the offer, at that time you can say, oh thanks, but I will have to go to home to change my dress, or you can show any other excuse. Or suppose there is a guest at your home and you are enjoying just music on the video or any record on any player. At that time you can ask your friend that shall I turn the volume up a bit. This is informal way of asking, that shall I. Would you just completely formal, but shall I or can I, this is informal way of asking, can I help you. Or formal way of asking will be just, if you need any help, just let me know. This is formal, but informal way you can ask, can I help you. Then the reply will be that no, it's okay, or I will be okay, I am perfectly well. That you don't need any help. But in the informal way, the reply will be, I can manage, thanks. Okay, you are in the restaurant. At that time you are asking your guest, that you are the host, that what are you having. This is informal way of offering, what are you having. At that time you can your host can say that chicken or anything. Then you can say that I don't mind. These are the just expression for knowing. Okay. Sometimes we actually cannot make reply or cannot make offering just by making translation from Bengali to English. We have to just know some phrase and expression that when to use what. If you have no objection on any offering, at that time you can just make reply that I don't mind. Or suppose someone is in the informal way asking you, I will give you a lift to the station. At that time you can say that, oh sure, thanks, or that's very kind of you. And if you are not eager, at that time you can say, no, I don't mind walking to the station. That means you will go to the station on foot. Or suppose there is the phone is ringing, at that time you can, someone is busy, at that time you can ask her, would you like me to answer the phone? In the informal way you can ask, I will answer the phone. The formal way will be that, would you like me to answer the phone? The formal way will be, would you like me to answer the phone? But informal way will be, I will answer the phone. Invitation. You can invite your friend or your colleague or someone. Suppose you are now inviting your familiar or known person, that Mr. Smith or Mr. Sohail, I have the pleasure. At the time you are saying, I have the pleasure. This is formal way of inviting. I have the pleasure. I hope of taking you out for dinner at, suppose any place names, at, I hope of taking you out for dinner at, suppose any hotels or any restaurants names. This is invitation. At that time the reply may be, that would be wonderful. If the whole guest accept the offer or invitation, he can reply just, that would be wonderful. But there may be disagreement also. That suppose someone may ask you that, me and my wife are eager or interested to take you or to invite you to lunch on Friday or Saturday. This will be just formal invitation. Then if you are not free or if you have another invitation, you can just say that, oh, what a pity, we have just accepted another invitation on Sunday. Or you can say, I would really like to, but we have just accepted another invitation on Sunday or on that Friday. Then the host or who is invited then can say that we can arrange something else then, or are you free on another day, or on next Tuesday, or on next Sunday. That kind of offer can come. Or suppose you are arranging a picnic, at that time you can invite all of your friends just by saying that, suppose, would you like to visit the zoo, or would you like to go to a picnic on next Sunday? And the reply may be that, oh nice, thank you very much, or it's so wonderful, or that would be really great. Or suppose there is a seminar or conference you are arranging, you can invite your friend by saying that I wonder if you could attend my seminar this afternoon or next afternoon, next Sunday afternoon, like this. Your friend must reply, oh sure, that would be very nice to invite me. Or suppose there is a small party. In the informal way, you can ask your friend by saying just you must come to the party. At that time, you need not to use would you. In the informal way, you can just ask you must come to the party. Or suppose you need get together, there is no party or anything, you can just ask your friend that I do think or I feel we need to talk each other a bit closely. Would you come to my house, or would you like to come for lunch at my place? Just way you can invite. And if your friend is free at that time, he will say, oh that would be nice, or that I would really like it. And if he is not free, he must show excuse that, oh at that time I would be busy, I would really like it, but at that time I would be busy. Invite your teacher or suppose your friend to have dinner with you and your parents on Friday evening. Which type of expression we can use? You must invite your teacher, suppose. Then for invitation you should use a expression. Which type of expression you will use? At first you can use would you like? Would you like to join us for, if it is dinner, for dinner at our place, or would you like to join us for dinner with me and my parents at our home? The expression will be like that. Invite a colleague to play tennis on Saturday. What you can say? Would you like to play tennis on Saturday? Invite a client to visit your factory. Yes. Or would you like to pay a visit to our factory? As he is senior person, you must use the expression sir. Sir, would you like to come to my wedding? Your visitor finished her cup of tea or coffee. Ask her if she would like another cup by using the expression would you like. Would you like to take another cup? And the reply will be, if she is interested, then oh sure, I'll have another cup please. But if she is not interested, then she must say, oh no thanks, it was good but I have had enough. You take a friend to a fast food shop and ask him what he is having in the informal way. What would you like to take? This is formal way, but you can also ask him by using informal way. What are you having? Or suppose you can just ask him, would you like me to make the order? A lady is in the train, says she is complaining how hot it is. Offer to open the window by using shall I expression. Shall I open the window please? You see an old man struggling with a heavy suitcase. Offer to carry his suitcase. Actually, this only can happen abroad. Your host is taking away the dishes after a meal. Insist on helping him with the washing up. Yes? Your host is taking away the dishes after a meal. Would you like me to help with the washing up? Okay, not same person will not reply. Make answer again and again. Now from back bench. What the expression would you use? An English friend is visiting you next week. Offer to meet him at the airport. Just normal expression. Would you like me to meet at the airport? You stand up, last bench. At your home, the phone rings, offer to answer it. Actually, would you like will be used when you are in the office, but at home, which expression can be used? At your home, the phone rings, offer to answer it. Do you like me to answer the phone, or just directly you can ask, I will answer the phone. At your party, a guest has a bad cough, offer to get him a drink of water. You have a temporary typist who has been with your firm for a week. Offer her a permanent job. But for offering, you must use a expression. You can ask, would you like to be with a permanent job with us? Yes? Would you like to be with a permanent job with us? Or you can just say, would you be interested in a permanent job with us? Would you be interested in a permanent job with us? I would like to offer you a job. Yes, you can say in your way. If you give the correct answer, I will accept it. That will also be okay. But it must be acceptable. I would like to offer you a permanent job, you can say, or would you be interested in a permanent job with us, or you can, in the around way, I can also say that I would like to offer you the post of suppose or permanent post. Offer to help. In the formal way, it will be, would you like me to help you? In the informal way, can I help you? May I help you? This is also formal. Can I help you? Or if you need any help, just let me know. Okay, if you have any question, can ask. But I was not in normal mode today because I am feeling sick. if you need any help, I can ask me. Okay, thank you, but I think on this we will continue 2 more class, but before vacation I will give you a long assignment.